Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in making money in the cryptocurrency industry, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to cover some of the most popular ways to make money in cryptocurrency industry, including trading, investing, mining, staking, ICO, IEO, providing liquidity, and also want to cover one of our sponsors today. This video is sponsored by Mitrade. Immerse yourself in a seamless trading experience and explore more than 400 plus financial markets with CFDs. Regardless of the market directions, discover great trading opportunities with every fluctuations. Enjoy zero commissions, competitive spreads, flexible leverage, and fast and reliable order executions with Mitrade proprietary trading platform. You can enjoy and trade hundreds of hot markets right now. You can also monitor live market trends, view trading analysis, and check the latest economic news in real time. Access different types of charts on the go with the ability to apply drawing without hindering your trades at all. So start trading with Mitrade today by signing up using my referral link below. Section 1. Trading cryptocurrencies, aka futures trading. The first way to make money in the cryptocurrency industry is by trading cryptocurrencies, of course, right? This involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies on exchange, taking advantage of the price fluctuations to make profit. Trading requires knowledge of market trends, technical analysis, and risk management. It's important to start with a small amount of capitals and use a proper risk management strategies. So if you want to learn more about technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk management strategies, feel free to subscribe my channel today, right now, down below, and go through all the video. I've done plenty of it. Alright, so the section 2, number 2, investing in cryptocurrencies, aka spot trading. Another way to make money in the crypto industry is by investing in cryptocurrencies. This involves by buying and holding cryptocurrencies over a long period of time with the expectation that their value will increase, so that when you invest, you requires a lot of patience and long-term strategies. So you should go and research the fundamental of the cryptocurrencies before investing and consider the factors such as the team behind the projects, the technology, and the use case before investing any projects. Alright, so if you're talking about low-risk investment, you can always look into top 10, top 20 tokens that you can find on CoinMarketCap. Those projects are considered low risk. But don't expect low risk to have high return. Okay, so for example, Bitcoin has surpassed 60,000. Right now it's about 30,000. So if let's say it go back up to 60,000, that's about 2x. So if you're looking for more X's, like 100x, 1000x, then those are high risk, high return investments, such as meme tokens, meme coins. What sort of meme right now that's trending right now should be Pepe, Pepe Inu, Pepe coin, baby Pepe, father Pepe, mother Pepe. You see all this Pepe, right? It's a trend. Last time used to be Doge, now used to be Pepe. But before investing, make sure that you know that you are having or spending this money, that's something that you could afford to lose. Because high risk, high return, low risk, low return. Always remember that. Alright, so option 3, section 3 will be mining cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies mining involves using computer hardware to solve complex mathematical problems in order to verify transactions on the blockchains and earn reward in the form of new cryptocurrencies. Mining can be profitable but requires significant investment in hardware and electricities. So you should research the mining difficulties and the profitabilities of cryptocurrencies before investing in a mining equipment. So in order for you to go and play cryptocurrency mining, first of all, you would need to Google up something like, for example, Bitcoin mining calculator in Google. Last time we used to Google up Ethereum mining calculator. There's a lot of calculator outside there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your tokens that you're gonna mine. You're gonna put the voltage that you're gonna use. And you're gonna put the hash power, the hardware performance into the calculator. Then it will pop out roughly how much you're gonna earn and how much you're gonna lose per month. Then you're gonna decide whether if you are gonna be interested in mining or not, because mining requires a lot of electricities. Alright, if the electricities are cheap, then go ahead, you can go for mining. Alright, so the option 4 will be staking cryptocurrencies. Staking is another way to earn cryptocurrencies reward by holding and staking a certain amount of particular cryptocurrencies in your wallet. This helps to secure the blockchain network and earn stakers a share of the transaction fees and newly minted coins. You should research the staking rewards and requirements of cryptocurrencies before staking. So if you want to stake, you can go into some DEXs that offer stakings, and especially CEXs, centralized exchange, like Binance, Huobi, KuCoin, Gate, all these big exchange or small exchange that offer tons of stakings pairing that you can stake. For example, if you're not trading anything, you have a lot of USDT, or you trade already, you buy your tokens, but you're not going to sell very, very soon. You can always stake into that platform like another Binance, just stick it there and gain some interest out of that. Alright, so the fifth option will be participating in ICO or IEO. ICO means initial coin offering and IEO means initial exchange offering. Both are methods, fundraising methods used by blockchain startup to raise capital. Investors can participate in these offerings by purchasing tokens or coins, which may increase in value if the project is successful. So you should research the projects and the team behind the ICO or IEO before investing. So some DEX or SEX as well provide ICO and IEO platform. So when you see those projects are listed there, they are raising capital, or they are raising community, or they are looking for funds. Okay, so usually you guys as investors can always look into that as well, because you are gonna be the first few members or first few parties that purchase that token first. But it always have a risk, you see. When you purchase early, if the company doesn't work out, then your money is gone. But if you invest it right now and happens to be the project is so successful, the price gonna increase and your value gonna increase because you are purchasing the tokens at a very, very, very low price. Make sense? Alright, so last but not least would be providing liquidity. Liquidity providers are individuals or entities that supply funds to cryptocurrency exchange or decentralized finance, aka DeFi platform, allowing users to trade cryptocurrencies more easily. In return, liquidity providers earn a certain percentage of the trading fees. This one you also should do a little bit research about exchange or DeFi platform and the risk involved before providing any liquidity. So for example, DeFi platform, there are tons of them. There are also like the Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, all these swap, right? When you go into liquidity, You can provide some liquidity to that project itself. Of course, if the project is good, like mentioned, then you'll be earning a lot of trading fees because there's a lot of volume there. But let's say if you are providing liquidity and the project dies or the project stops working, then yeah, you're probably gonna lose there or gonna have some risk there as well. Alright, so there you have it. Some of the most popular ways to make money in the cryptocurrency industry. It's important to do your own research and understand the risks involved before investing or participating in any crypto-related activities. Alright, so thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Alright, bye bye.